In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate a QR code in Adobe Express. Now to do this, you want to go to the plus button top left here on the Home tab, and you want to go to the top right in the search box, and you want to type in QR. As you can see, there's an option which is called Generate QR Code. You simply want to click on it over here, and what's going to happen here, you'll see in just a second, there we go, it's going to allow you to generate your QR code. So I'm just going to actually put my URL over here to my YouTube channel. Of course, you have to put the QR code for your whatever site you want to go to in here. Then of course you have the file format. You have three options: SVG, JPEG, or PNG, depending on which one you want. Click on that, and then here you can also choose a color, you can choose a style, and of course the marker center and marker border. So if I go, for example, green, and I pick these dots and then make the borders like this, as you can see, it's changing over here on the left. And of course you can also scan your QR code here to see if it's actually working and to test it out. So I'm going to leave it like it is right now, and down here you can also see some templates. You can go and use those, or just click on this download button, which is going to of course download your QR code, and you can then use it wherever you need. That's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.